Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you turn on your PC, grab a coffee, and when you come back, the Copilot window is already open, waiting for you. You never asked for it, but there it is, ready to chat. This is especially annoying if you are someone who uses Copilot on your own terms and hates apps that launch themselves. Most of the time this happens because Edge sorts up with Windows and automatically opens a Copilot tab. Other times it's the Copilot app itself that's set to auto sort. So here is how to stop it. First and first, turn off auto start in Copilot settings. Check if Copilot itself has an auto start toggle. Open the Copilot app, click your Microsoft account picture in the bottom left corner, settings, auto start or login, and turn it off. You can also go through here, look on Task Manager, look on Startup here as you see, and you will be able to see many apps. Go and look for Microsoft Copilot and Startup Impact. You will be able to see it's 0 status disabled. So if you want to enable it, just tap here and tap on enable. And if you want to disable it, just do the same thing. Anyway, we're also gonna go and talk about turning off the Edge's startup behavior. If Copilot keeps opening an Edge, it's usually because Edge is set to launch automatically a startup with a Copilot page. So then go ahead, look for the Microsoft Edge settings and make sure to prevent Copilot from opening up. Anyway, I showed you how to use Task Manager. It's basically the best option you have. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.